want to start with you, Deepika. So you're the contrary voice on the program tonight. There is an attempt to say, let's use this opportunity to reopen the case. Now, the case has been already dealt with, right? The case, as far as I understand, Subrashta has been dealt with. Now the daughter goes around and says that if there is the daughter says if there is any slightest piece of evidence against him, then hang him. But is the daughter illiterate? Does she not know a person is convicted after there is evidence found against him? There is evidence, and that's why the sentence. This makes no sense. The daughter wants to, Subrashta, judge her father, give him a clean sheet, and shame the victim. That's what I'm seeing here. Subrashta is opening, actually, and then we'll get you, Deepika, on this. Yeah, Subrashta, open up. We'll allow the calls.
Arnab, I don't think any one of us should be surprised at this kind of response. Please understand, Kuldeep Singh Sengar has been a politician since, I think he's a career politician. He has made an empire for himself by being in the BSP, by being in the Samajwadi Party, by slimely making a way into the BJP, and by continuing to have that kind of a clout. Why do we expect any political family to not shield their own, parent? She is basically these people are, I don't want to brandish the term patriarchy, but these are the kind of women who perpetuate violence within patriarchy by not just internalizing it, but by coaxing others to internalize it. I'm not surprised, frankly. My problem is this, that the world's largest political party, which is the BJP, a party which is almost hegemonic today, why should it actually have people like Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the very first place? Whatever be the public verdict, whatever be the legal verdict, there's something called public perception. Among a pantheon of MLAs and a pantheon of MPs and a pantheon of leaders and, the kind of legacy that BJP has, is Kuldeep Singh Sengar actually, can we just equate to those two? My problem is, I'm sorry to be taking the position that I'm taking today. It might hurt a lot of people who sort of believe that I am some kind of a person who is going to back the BJP in everything. This is shameful. For a party that has innumerable karyakartas on ground, for a party which has innumerable karyakartas who have given their lives for Sangathan, I don't understand why Kuldeep Singh Sengar should get away with something like this. I was the person who have been raising voice against him ever since the news broke way back in time, and I will continue to do so. My point is, even if Kuldeep, let me take the daughter's word against her, in support of her father. Even if Kuldeep Singh Sengar is to be a clean chit by the courts, ऐसी क्या मजबूरी है भाजपा की कि वो ऐसे लीडर्स के साथ, ऐसे लोगों के साथ जिनके ऊपर इतना बड़ा तमगा हो कलंक का, क्या जरूरी है इनको ढोने की? मैं एक लाइन और भी बोलना चाहती हूँ। कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर आपके कोई संगठन के व्यक्ति नहीं है जिन्होंने संघ में काम किया हो, हिंदुत्व के लिए काम किया हो, लगातार काम कर रहे हो। ऐसे लोगों कि उनको प्रताड़ित किया गया। आई एम सॉरी, एंड फॉर ऑल men rights activists here, प्लीज मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करती हूँ, ये एक्टिविज्म कहीं और ले जाइए।
No, but Sengar was technically expelled from the BJP. No, but just setting the record straight, because you made it political. Sengar, I think, was expelled by the BJP after his conviction in August 2019, wasn't he? Right? He was expelled from the BJP. So he's
my
not.
Point is, my point
can
is
I
not
speak? Can I say
he's therefore an expelled BJP leader. He's not in the BJP today. He has been disqualified as MLA. He's been expelled by the BJP. I think I'm setting the record straight on that one. But let's not move away from the core issue here. The core issue here is victim shaming and an unfortunate attempt by people like Deepika Narayan Bharadwaj to opportunistically enter the debate with the wide-eyed wonder, trying to fool people into believing that there's only an allegation and not a sentence against him. But Deepika, people have called you out because, there is evidence, there was solid evidence that's why there was a sentence. And by the way, Deepika, people have called you out and said that you are talking rubbish because evidence was led, evidence was presented, evidence was tested, and unfortunately for you, evidence was accepted by the trial court, right? And the convictions were based on witness testimony, medical material, forensic material, corroborative evidence, and judicial findings. You are 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Now, yesterday you said, no, you must first.
There was no medical done. Yesterday you did not even know that the accused number 1 in the case was Shashi Singh. You did not even know the facts of the case, Mr. Arnab Goswami. So please don't intimidate me or don't call me something which I am not. All right.
I have not called you anything yet at all, but I would say that you have understood what Subrashta has said.
CBI is fighting the case. CBI is Central Bureau of Investigation, not Bharatiya Janata Party. Tushar Mehta represented the victim in the Supreme Court of India. Tushar Mehta is Solicitor General of India. He is not Bharatiya Janata Party. So please do not mislead. And Shubrashta, for your very kind information, the activists like me
एक बार आज कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर के साथ भाजपा का नाम सिनोनिमस है. जो बात अर्नब ने कही वो बात सही है. भाजपा ने निकाला होगा कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर को.
No, public perception will not be accepted to send somebody.
ऊपर अगर इतना बड़ा आक्षेप लग रहा है तो इतने तमाम ट्वीट्स और तमाम प्रेस रिलीजेस के बीच में एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होनी चाहिए. इसमें
last 1 week the girl has been going on giving an interviews. For the last 1 week the girl is going on
कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऐसा नहीं करना चाहती क्योंकि there is a I'm sorry to say maybe I'm stretching the argument too far because everybody in politics today steal the men.
आगे बढ़ाओ.
I'm sorry Deepika, I have fundamental disagreements with you on this.
Please tell me.
If you want people like me to believe that system is somehow very equal, it is not. My culture may be equal, my civilizationally I might have equal rights, politically I don't.
We are asking people to hear both the sides.
नहीं प्लीज दीपिका, आपको जो करना हो आपकी राजनीति कहां तक है मुझे पता है. मुझे प्लीज उसमें मत घसीटिए. मुझे उस राजनीति के बारे में बात नहीं करनी.
I don't want to make it personal for you, okay? I don't want to. All that I'm saying.
So please go ahead and make it personal because that's the best that can happen, right? I will not be surprised if you make it personal. धमकी किसे दे रही हैं आप? I don't want to make it personal. बनाओ ना personal. करो personal इसको. क्या करोगे personal इसमें?
Deepika, are you trying to threaten
question is about victim shaming. आपने कितने भाजपा नेताओं को देखा? कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर के लिए तो बहुत लोग आकर के लड़ रहे हैं. मैं भाजपा नेताओं को इसलिए बोल रही हूँ. मैं टॉप लीडरशिप की बात नहीं कर रही. मैं लीडरशिप टीम की बात नहीं कर रही. मैं भैया लोगों की बात कर रही हूँ जो ट्विटर पर आकर के पे गालियां दे रहे हैं. क्या नहीं हो रहा है समर्थन? क्या राइट विंग का एक कुनबा नहीं कर रहा है समर्थन? बोलिए ना, दिल पर हाथ रख के कहिए.
It's not BJP who has suspended.
Please, I don't know. I don't want an ideological fight over here.
No. It's not.
अगर आप मुंह में उंगली डालेंगे तो मैं बोलूँगी.
You know what is happening, Deepika. I'll tell you this.
We are going
Deepika, yeah. I want to tell you something. See, just be patient and listen to me. I know very well what you are doing and some people along with you are doing. But, times have changed. What you are doing is the standard tactic.